Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that so many of us can relate to. How to save money when you on a tight, low-income budget. It can feel impossible, right? Like you're just trying to keep your head above water. But I'm here to tell you it's not impossible. With the right strategies, you can build a savings habit, no matter how much you earn. So, let's get into it. The very first step, and honestly the most important, is to understand exactly where your money is going. It sounds basic, but you'd be amazed at what you discover when you track your spending for a month. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or one of the many free budgeting apps out there. Just jot down every single purchase, from your rent and bills to that coffee you grabbed on the way to work. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about gathering data. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to take control of your finances. Once you have a clear picture, you can create a realistic budget. The key word here is realistic. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% of your income for needs like housing and groceries, 30% for wants like hobbies and dining out, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Now, on a low income, these percentages might not work perfectly, and that's okay. The goal is to adapt it. Maybe your needs take up 70%. The important thing is to consciously decide where every dollar will go before the month even starts. Now let's talk about the needs category, because this is where you can find some surprising savings. Groceries are a big one. Start by meal planning for the week. This single habit stops you from making impulse buys and reduces food waste. Stick to your grocery list like it's your best friend. Look for store brands. They're often just as good as the name brands, but way cheaper, and try to cook at home as much as possible. Even one less takeout meal a week can add a significant amount back into your budget. Next up, look at your subscriptions and recurring bills. Go through your bank statement and identify every single automatic payment. Are you still using that streaming service? Could you switch to a cheaper phone plan? Many people are paying for things they've completely forgotten about. Call your service providers for things like internet and insurance. Ask if there are any promotions or if they can offer you a better rate. A 10-minute phone call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. You'd be surprised how often they're willing to negotiate to keep you as a customer. Okay. So, we've cut costs, but how do we actually save the money? The trick is to pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. The moment you get paid, before you do anything else, move a set amount of money into a separate savings account. Even if it's just $10, do it. This automates the process and builds the habit. If the money in your main account, you'll be less tempted to spend it. As you get more comfortable, you can slowly increase the amount. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is progress, not perfection. There will be tough months, and that's completely normal. The key is to not get discouraged and to just get back on track. Building financial stability is one of the best things you can do for your peace of mind. I hope these tips help you feel more empowered and in control of your financial future. What are your best money-saving tips? Share them in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.